Every week or two, you'll need to empty your system and replace it with a fresh nutrient solution. The Root Farm Hydro Garden system has reverse pump functionality, which makes replacing the nutrient solution in your system clean and easy. Start by getting a 5-gallon bucket to empty the nutrient solution into. Then unplug the pump and pull one of the cover plates off to access the reservoir interior. Pull the drain tube out of your Hydro Garden system and place it into your bucket. Then turn the valve to the drain position. Plug the pump back in and let the nutrient solution drain into the bucket. When it's empty, unplug the pump and turn the valve to the circulate position, then place the drain tube back into the reservoir. Once it's done draining, add fresh water back into the reservoir, plug it in, add your nutrients, and test your pH to make sure it's balanced.
For more videos, tips, and tricks for growing hydro, visit us at rootfarm.ca.